right, good morning, Idea Montopolis College Prep. This is Mr. Cotto with your morning announcements. So, Thunderous Throwback Thursday, April the 29th. Today is an A day. Please join me for today's pledges. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Now please remain standing for a moment of silence. All right, Snack Cart is back. Again, help out, right? The money you give to the cart, the money you give to the school comes back to us, comes back to y'all. So be sure to buy when you see it coming around during lunch. All right, happy birthdays. No birthdays again today, again, just like yesterday. So we wish everybody a happy day as we near STAR and AP testing. Make sure that we're doing our best in our classes. All right, just say no to drugs. Although, as I've been saying all week, it's not always that easy. We do want everybody to stay safe, to stay away from drugs. So if you or someone you know is in danger, feel free to reach out to a trusted adult or a friend. Again, substance abuse and drug addiction is a very real thing that affects many people. So again, if we or someone we know is struggling with this, there is the link to Austin Rehab right there in the hotline and the number posted right there. So with that, we move on. ACT calculators, please return them. Please return them, y'all. We've been making these announcements for a long, long time. Again, names of important individuals down there that you need to reach out to. Bring them back to school. That's the main thing. All right, be kind to your mind. Join our college prep anxiety group. Again, learn tips on how to slow down your thoughts, prioritize and reduce your stress. And again, this is open to all students that are in person and virtual. Please message Ms. Williams on Teams or like the message in your grade level Move This World tab. All right. Prom, wonderful, beautiful prom coming up on the 14th at 8. Again, we haven't paid up our $20. There is the Venmo handle with which to send that money to. Again, good times coming up May 14th. All right, announcement from athletics. Here are our upcoming athletic sports and dates, right? We've got middle school sports posted right there, high school sports as well. All athletes must have an updated school sports physical turned into the head coach by the first day of practice. Again, let's pause if we need to take a closer look. All right, become a mentor. 11th and 12th graders, if you feel like you can pass on some knowledge to our 9th and 10th graders, go ahead and fill out that link right there. Same with our 9th and 10th graders. If you feel that you could use someone to guide you through high school, fill out that link right there. Grades, have we looked at them recently? Have we checked them out? Again, the end is near. So please make sure that we're passing every class with at least a 70. If not, we're going to have to come to summer school, and we may have to take that class again next year if we're not having success in either of those. All right. Attendance, we all know it's important. We all know we have to be here. There is a Texas education code quoted right there. You got to be here 90% of the time. That equates to you being here or not missing more than 18 days of school. 6th grade, 7th grade, 8th grade middle school schedule. High school schedule, 9th and 10th, 11th and 12th. Questions, please reach out to us at the number posted. Please reach out to us at the number posted during normal school hours. Follow us on Facebook, facebook.com/Montopolis College Prep to keep up with all school-wide updates. All right, everybody, Bulldogs are determined, optimistic, generous, and strong. Remember, nobody tells you this today. We love you, we believe in you, and we always will. Advocate for yourselves. Reach out for help. It's not too late, y'all. Reach out for help. With that, it's time for Move This World. Have a great day, everybody.